Every product manager should have basic SQL skills. In fact, with product stack collapsing, many PM roles specify SQL as a mandatory skill. As a PM or as an aspiring PM, you must learn SQL. So what should you learn? As a PM, you would almost always be pulling data, which means you should be able to create select statement and use clauses like and, or, where. Also, since the data resides in multiple database tables, you must understand how to use SQL joins. There are 4 commonly used joins in SQL: inner, left, right, and full outer join. Let us understand these joins by a simple example. Assume you have 2 lists of friends represented by 2 tables. Table 1 has list of friends who love outdoor activities. Table 2 has list of friends who know how to play guitar. Few of the friends from both the groups can speak English. Example of inner join would be picking all the friends who can speak English. In this case, you would be picking friends from both the tables where language is English. An example of left join would be picking all the friends from table 1 who love outdoor activities, and when you left join with table 2, you would also get to understand if they can play guitar or not. When you right join, you would pick all the friends from table 2 who know how to play guitar, and when you right join with table 1, you would also understand if they love outdoor activities or not. An example of full outer join would be picking all the friends who either love outdoor activities or know how to play guitar. I hope this was helpful. Look at the following animation to understand joins in a better manner.